Hey, my name is Josh Elledge, and I'm the founder of Up My Influence and Savings Angel. And so, in my quest to build an amazing funnel, I've got a lot of experience with ClickFunnels. Like, I've been in the funnel world for a long time. I know the value of being efficient, and I know the value of bringing together a team of people that can help make sure that everything is going to go very well. And so one thing, as we were looking at migrating from ClickFunnels and other systems into Kartra, is that I knew that building a funnel, all the emails for everything that we wanted to do, was just going to take a lot of time. And as the CEO of a company, I can't afford to invest all that time. Similarly, hiring somebody was either going to be an exercise, like let's say I wanted to hire a freelancer. It was going to be a lot of education to let them know the exact kind of funnel that I wanted. I wanted a product launch funnel. So it would have ended up taking me a lot of time. Or I could have ended up hiring somebody, say $100 an hour, and then that would have been really, really expensive. And I don't know that that would have been a good fit for me. So I wanted to have some control. I really just wanted to have a great funnel all built. And that's when I got connected with Jason West. And so what I was able to do for a one-time fee, I was able to buy an entirely built funnel, completely import the thing. The support was great. He has a lot of videos that step you through and explain everything. So even if you're newer to Kartra, I think you're going to find that if you just follow Jason's videos, it's going to go very, very well for you. I've had a great experience. We're getting ready to launch in about a week and another day, a week and 2 days. As of when I'm recording this, we're getting ready to do our big product launch. We expect it to be a six-figure launch. One thing that's really great about that is it's got all of the funnel that Jason built has all the intelligence in there. It's got the when somebody checks out the checkout page and then they don't buy, we're going to go track them down and we're going to keep on them. It just had everything all built into it. So Jason's incredibly supportive as well. I've asked him several questions. I've gotten some great input back. He's been really, really great to work with. Absolutely, in terms of value for the dollar, it's a no-brainer. In terms of what your other options are, would be to hire a full-time developer to replicate what Jason has built. It's just any other method would cost you a lot more, or it would take an obscene amount of your own time. So, Jason, thank you so much. Love your product. Love your support. Love the community that you're building. Love the content that you produce. Jason West is an amazing partner for our work and what we're doing.